Hi guys, I just wanted to pop on here and give you a rundown of week 4 work. You guys have worked so hard, 1, 2, and 3. I hope you all had a really nice week off for spring break and a beautiful Easter. It was a little sad this year. I usually spend Easter with a lot of family eating a bunch of food, but we just had a small little Mr. G. Mason and I, which, whatever, it's no big deal. We'll live. But just a rundown of things for the week. 2 projects this week. In language arts, you're going to do a Unit 5 book report. So you're going to choose one story from Unit 5 and make a report, and I want you to write and draw something. So you're going to pick your favorite character from one of those stories. So you're going to pick that character, draw and color that character, and then explain to me why that character is your favorite. Now, boys and girls, this is the 4th quarter of school, so I want good sentences, not just, I like Julian, he's funny. That's not good enough, okay? You need to explain, elaborate, why is this person your favorite character? Is it the way they talk, the way they look, how they interact with other characters in the story, things like that, okay? I want you to write in cursive. I want you to use appropriate capital letters and appropriate punctuation, okay? So you're going to write it on a piece of paper, and I want somewhere on there, I want it to have the title of the story and the author, and then I want you to write my favorite character, and then draw and color. IXL for language arts this week is Q1. Which book title goes with the picture? Okay. Math. For math, we're still working with clocks. So this is, for IXL for math this week, it's Q3, match analog and digital clocks. You're going to do, for Chapter 10, Lesson 4, 5, 6, and then the Chapter 10 review. I don't have a way to give you a math test right now, unless I make it up, take a picture, and send it to you. I'll probably work on something like that for next week. Not to worry right now. So with Chapter 10, you're still learning about telling time and clocks. So think about a circle, and then on the long hand, your minute hand, for it to go from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. From 1 to 2 is 5 more minutes. So from the long hand going from the 12 to the 2 is 10 minutes. From the 12 to the 5 is 15 minutes. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay? So you're skip counting by 5s, essentially. Okay? Half hour, so 60 minutes is a whole hour. Cut it in half, like you're making a cake and you cut it in half. So that means that the long hand is on the 6, all the way at the bottom. Okay? Quarter hours. 0 or 12, 15. So when the long hand is on the 3, on the 6 at 30, on the 9 at 45, and then 12. So 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay, that's quarter hours. All right, Unit 5 for religion, we're going to do Chapter 23. So you're going to read the pages in the book for Chapter 23, fill it all in, okay? And I'm going to give credit for all the pages in the book. So your parents are going to have to send pages of all that. And then there's a video about John Bosco that I want you to watch. Science. Another project this week is your science project. So usually at this part of the year in 2nd grade, we do dioramas. Now, I mentioned this to the kids before, but then this all happened. So these are all going to be different, and I don't care. I want you to be creative. However that is for you. If you want to take a shoebox and you want to put construction paper in the back, or you want to put little clay animals or Play-Doh or whatever. Or you can just draw it on a piece of paper, okay? Or you can go outside. Go outside and take a picture and set it up and put animals in the grass by your house or put them by a tree, okay? Be creative, okay? In your diorama, I want you to include plants and animals, and then I need a description of your habitat. What I would love to happen is your parents video you presenting your habitat, only if you're comfortable. If you're not comfortable with that, just send pictures and then write your description, okay? I put on RenWeb some examples of different habitats, okay? Ocean, coral reef, mountain, stream, woodland forest, rainforest, savanna, tundra, okay? Look online, look at examples online, but be creative, okay? There's an IXL for science this week, I3. Social studies, there's an IXL E7, and then you're going to read Unit 4, Lesson 3, Land and Water, and then there is an assignment on page 128 and 129, and you're just going to write those 4 questions on a piece of paper to turn in, okay? I hope all of you have a great week, work really hard. Tuesday at 1:30, so tomorrow, we will be doing a Google Meet, and I'll set it up and send an email with the link, okay? All right, you guys have a great week.